Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be unboxing, and you guys, I'm going to be unboxing some makeup that I recently purchased. And let me try to open this box. So I'm really excited. I hope my camera doesn't die because I just finished filming another video. Ugh, I can't even open this. Okay, open. So you guys, I'm so excited because for this package that I received, it is from Artist Couture, and look at Mac Daddy, how flawless he looks. Oh my god, so stunning. Like, yikes. Okay, so these are the new blushes that he came out with. Oh my god, let me open this. Look how bubble wrapped it is. Love when it's bubble wrapped like this because that means it's not gonna break, because UPS be playing. They be throwing the packages. I hate it. Like, they just be like, I hate that. Oh my god, you guys. So these are it. The Love Sprung. So this is the, oh, I don't know which one's which. Okay, so this is the Love Sprung, and I don't know what this is in Roman. I think this is this is number 1 and this is number 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Oh my god, the packaging is amazing. It's so pretty. I love the letter, the font, and I love the color. Okay, so look at this. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. And whoa, this is so stunning. And this is Infatuated, Angel Energy, and Lotus Love. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Like I said, I am not a good swatcher, but I'm still gonna swatch them for you guys. So this is Infatuated, the first one, and I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, okay, and then I'm gonna swatch the second one, which is Angel Energy. We need that angel energy with us. Oh my god. And Lotus Love. I'm actually gonna swatch them first, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is it. I'm not so sure if, oh my god, look how stunning. So this is Lotus Love, this one's Angel Energy, and this one is Infatuated. Oh my god, these blushes are so pigmented. I can't wait to apply them on my face. Oh my god, and the packaging is so cute. I should have taken a picture of it before I swatched them. Oh well. Oh my god. All for you guys, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my hands because obviously I'm gonna swatch the other one for you guys. So clean this up. One. And the packaging is pretty much the same. Oh my god. So, oh. So I'm gonna put them together so you guys can see. So these are like more the brighter side, and these are more in the lighter side. This is Baby Bloom, Internal Flame, and Swoon Me. I love how he came up with the names. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch Baby Bloom. And then, oh, you're so smooth. Swatching it, okay? And Swoon Me, Swoon Me, Swoon Me. I want to see, make sure. Okay, so this one is Swoon Me, this one's Internal Flame, and Baby Bloom. And can we get it to focus? I'm not so sure. It's not focusing well, but you guys can. Oh my god, I can't wait to apply these. These are so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, so moving on to the next package, I am going to be unboxing a package from Beauty Creations. I'm so excited. This one, oh my god, let me grab something to open this. Oh my god, look at this. Whoa, this is so beautiful. The packaging is like, it's a color wheel. Okay. So this is their Dare to Be Bright collection. And are you guys ready? I'm so ready. So ready. Wow. There you go. So this is so cute, you guys. Oh my god. So these are primers. I think there are a total of 12 primers. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, so 12 primers, 12 gel color gel pots, and 12 eyeliners. So I really want to swatch some of these primers and the liner. I'm not going to be swatching the little gel pots, but I'm going to be swatching the primers. So I'm going to go ahead and spit it and see what color I get. So it looks like it's red. It doesn't really spin that well, but I'm going to swatch this one. So this is a red one, and let's see what it looks like. Oh. So I have been wanting to purchase the P. Louis primers, but I haven't gotten a chance. So as soon as I saw that Beauty Creations they were launching their own, I had to jump on it. So this is the primer. Oh my god, it's like really thick. This is gonna be like the perfect formula for eyeshadow on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the eyeliner. And eyeliner, check it out. Okay, there you go. So this is the eyeliner. Oh, really pigmented, you guys. I really love that. Okay, so let's do one more. And oh, the red one again. The black one. Okay, cool. So I love a good black, so let's swatch this one. So this is it, and then so this one's called Blackout, and the red one is called Rockstar. I'm sorry I didn't say that. I didn't tell you guys the names. So this is the black one. Oh my god, you guys, so freaking black. Oh my god. And let's do the liner, the eyeliner, and this is called Outer Space. And I didn't tell you guys the eyeliner name for the red one either. So wow, it's super black. And I'm not sure if these are waterproof. I'm not too sure. I didn't get like a paper. Does it say in the back? No, but I'll put the details down below if they are waterproof or not. And that's the red one. And I didn't tell you guys the name for the red eyeliner. The red eyeliner, it's called Center Stage. Okay, you guys, so I'm only going to be able to swatch these 2 shades for you guys, but I can't wait to include these products into one of my next videos. So yeah, you guys, the formula feels really nice. I can't wait to actually apply it on my eyes and see. So yeah, you guys, if you did enjoy my video, don't forget to like and comment something sweet, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube Rookies channel. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye. Who's up, my little baby boy? Come here, baby. Okay, you guys, so I'm only gonna